morning, students. And I am noticing that some of you are not still submitting your work. If you are unable to submit your work, I will make a list and I will give in office. Then you have to give your own explanation why you are unable to submit your work, especially in class 11C. I had already mentioned you in today's meeting that you are not submitting your work. Why we teachers are saying again and again that you are not submitting your work? Because it is very important to submit work just for your attendance, not for your attendance, but it shows that you are also reading a book. You are interested in education. अगर आप होमवर्क नहीं जमा करते हैं तो इससे दो बातें सामने आती हैं। एक, आपकी अटेंडेंस में फ़र्क पड़ता है। दूसरी बात ये सामने आती है कि आप इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो सब्जेक्ट और स्टडीज़ में, पढ़ाई लिखाई में आपका मन नहीं लग रहा है। ये दो तीन बातें सामने आती हैं। बिफोर कंटिन्यूइंग this subject, syllabus I had given you and hope you are reading also. Now this is the end of chapter number 2, revision. We are doing revision. In revision also there are many students, they are not doing work. So now I will tell you about द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड, अर्जुना अवार्ड, राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड. द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड, I had already explained you. This award is given to a coaches in a memory of Guru Dronacharya. Eligibility and objectives. If there is a question, I had given write objective or write the criteria. In exams, it will not come in systematic way. In between the chapters, I had taken out some questions and I had given you questions from the chapter only. So it is very important to read and learn from the chapter. That suppose one example I am giving, what is Dronacharya award and what is the criteria for award. So you have to write about what is Dronacharya award and criteria for Dronacharya award. Arjuna award. Arjuna award is supreme honor which is honored to a sports person by the government of India. That this is not given by the CBSE but the government of India. This award is given to such sports person who achieves extraordinary position during that year and who has been extraordinary performance during the past 3 years and won medal of bronze. Arjuna award includes the statue of Mahabharata. Everyone know what is Mahabharata and the history of Mahabharata, and a diploma and ₹5 lakhs. This award is given to the memory of Arjuna of Mahabharata. This Arjuna award is given to a player who has continuously done well for 3 years. 3 years. Rules for Arjuna award. What are the rules? There are rules and criteria. There are two things, rules and criteria. Criteria is different and rules is different. The following are the rules for the best owning Arjuna award. Its main aim is to standard, raise the standard of sports in the country. The government of India demand the list of sports person from the National Sports Federation. ये लिस्ट जो है कहाँ से मंगाई जाती है? नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स फेडरेशन से मंगाई जाती है. दैट इज अंडर स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, which are recognized by the government of India. Arjuna Award cannot be represented to a player second time. It is very important to know. Only one time it is given. Arjuna Award can be given post thumb asli. Post thumb asli means it can be given to a different player in a different game. The government of India can nullify the award of any sports person. That means it can also cancel if the government has given, but somehow there are many players, their award has been taken. The total number of Arjuna Award was restricted to 15, one award in each discipline, in each game, one award in each game. And what are the nominations? The nominee for the award are to be invited by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports for all National Sports Federation. That is under IOA, Indian Olympic Association. As per revised scheme, the last date for the receipt nomination will be 31st May of the same year. There are so many things in sports and we have to select few of them. Nomination is given to a certain players that has done well for a country. So that is the Arjuna Award. There are 16 or 17 points. Read each and every point carefully. Go through it. I had explained you 6 or 7 points, but there are 15 or 16. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is presented for the spectacular and most outstanding performance in the field of sports to a person in a year. This award is present to a sports person for individual sports. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is presented for individual sports person. Individual sports from individual sports person from individual sports. The selection committee does not have any power to select only a few members of the team for the award. This may disrupt the team spirit. However, it is the opinion of selection committee. So there is a selection committee. There is a difference between nomination and selection committee. Nomination is done by the government of India, and here in Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award we are having selection committee that particular select a player, and in award, what is given in award? A cash of rupees 7.5 lakhs, certificates, a scroll of honor to each sports person, one plate to each sports person, or a memento. That is a type of a memento. Objective of award. What are the objectives? There is aim and objectives. Objectives, aim can be one, objectives can be different. Honor the sports person to enhance their general status in a society, and also give the greater dignity and place of honor in a society. When we won, you had seen in television or in media or in newspaper that a player has won a certain medal from outside or inside in national games, international games, they are welcomed by songs, by putting a garland in their neck and honor them in local societies also. Proposal for the award. The proposal for the award should be submitted every year by 31st of May. Every year before 31st of May. Criteria for the award. What will be the criteria? The total of 80% of weightage is given to a sports person who had won medal in Olympic game, Asian game, Commonwealth game, World Cups or championship. These are the few games that has been under the criteria of award. In Arjuna Award, in Rajiv Gandhi Award, or Chacha Nehru Award, all these things are in a same place. So one sports person will awarded, but if there is no eligible person, no one will be awarded. One eligible sports person. If there is no one, so there will be no prize. Organizational setup of CBSE and Chacha Nehru Sports Award. This is very important. This is very important. Organizational setup of CBSE Sports and Chacha Nehru Sports Award. Contribution of CBSE Sports. What is the contribution of CBSE Sports? The Central Board of Secondary Education organized the sports and games tournament at cluster level, zonal level and national level for various sports and games annually. For ensuring the smooth and efficient conduct of inter-schools and game, the activities are organized under the general direction of CBSE. We are talking about contribution of CBSE sports. In that, CBSE is responsible for organizing sports and games for cluster and national level. Aims and objectives of CBSE sports. What are the aims and objectives? To organize inter-school tournament and competition. That is the main. To encourage sportsmanship and promote friendly relation among the school. When we are playing together, playing with different schools, we make friends and we know the different school students also. To raise the general standard of sports and games prevailing in the school. To organize orientation, refresher and training program for physical education teacher. We are also get a chance. We learn many things and sometimes we have workshops for physical education teachers also. To organize such other activities as may be conducive to aim and objectives of sports committee as mentioned above. General rules and related to organization of competition. We are talking about CBSE sports. Games and sports may be included or excluded by the sports committee from time to time. Tournament shall be organized at cluster, zonal and national level. If a tournament in progress is suspended on account of unavoidable circumstances. In case no host for particular cluster zone meet is available, such cluster zone will be merged with nearby cluster zone. If suppose in Dehradun cluster we do not have any team, then it can be merged in NCR, Delhi NCR, Meerut or some other cluster. So this is about general rules and regulations of competition. Important is here Chacha Nehru Sport Award. Sports Award, Chacha Nehru Sports Award. Objective is to identify, recognize and develop extraordinary talent among the student of class 10th and 12th. We are talking about class 10th and 12th. Eligibility: the student must be Indian national studying in a school located in India, any part of India. Should not be a recipient of any scholarship for the same purpose from government or non-government agency. Scholarship: the student shall be selected on the basis of overall performance and score at the national level in CBSE sports competition. So, selection for scholarship: there are 50 scholarship each year at the rate of rupees 500 per month. Student of class 10 to 12 who has shown a best performance in national level in various discipline of CBSE. We are talking about CBSE sports. So this is the end of this chapter, and we had came to know about objective, eligibility, selection for scholarship and scholarship of Chacha Nehru Sports Award. Best of luck for your exams. Hope you will all will do well in physical education.